All right, today we're going to bring a lampshade replacement bulb, and this actually grabs onto the bulb and you're able to replace your lampshade holding bulb. So if you have one of these, I'm going to show you how to set it up and how it works. All right, so let's go ahead and set this up. If you guys can see, this is my old one right now. It's very complicated to even replace the light bulb. I can't even go in there. I have to replace this mostly, lift it up, and then take these off completely. And it's a little difficult to remove them instead of like replacing the light bulb. If you guys can see the obstacle I have to go just to replace the light bulb. So we're gonna go ahead and remove the lampshade. All right, we just took off the top to replace it. Bring these out, bring it out, and that's it. That's pretty much it. Once you set that up, all you got to do is marry this one into that, and that's it. So because this is plastic, it's easier. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. We don't need this longer. We don't need this complicated area no more. We're gonna go ahead and set that up. So let's go ahead and do that. There it is. That's pretty much it. And let's go ahead and set it up on our lamp. All you gotta do is just put it in the middle. And then with the actual cap that they give you, let's set it up. And anytime you want to replace the light bulb, all you got to do is just remove the shade. You don't have to remove anything else. We just replaced this piece. We no longer need that piece. And let me show you what it looks like in the bottom and the inside. We replaced the top too. And then we're just going to turn it on, all right? So here it is. We just replaced it. We turn it on. You guys can see it. It's free floating now. It doesn't need this complicated system no more. We no longer need that. And that's how it works. It grabs onto the light bulb. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video.